Hi, I'm Tony here at the Tech Garage. Today we're going to demonstrate how to replace the power assembly unit in the Tech 3.25 ton low profile jack.
Using a 17mm wrench, remove the handle screw and lift the handle to remove from the lift. Place the jack on its side or upside down. Using a pair of pliers or a screwdriver, pry the two springs off the bottom of the power assembly unit. Using a 19mm wrench, remove the 4 hex bolts from the side of the chassis. You can remove the wheels to make this easier, but it is not necessary. Place the jack on its side and raise the lift arm to open the jack. This will give you a small window to remove the cotter pin. Place the jack upside down and lift power assembly unit out of the chassis. Pull out the ram. Place the new power assembly unit into the ram. Ensure these pegs and these holes are aligned. Then insert the cotter pin. Using a 19mm wrench, insert the 4 hex nuts to secure the power assembly into the chassis. Using pliers or a screwdriver, replace the springs onto the power assembly unit. Attach them to the pins, then pull them towards you and into the hooks. Place the jack upright, then insert the handle into the handle assembly and tighten the screw to hold the handle in place.
And that is how you replace the power assembly unit in your low profile jack. If you have any questions, contact your Tech distributor or visit us on our website at techtirerepairs.com.